Hi, welcome to Shafi 360 Labs. Today I will show you how to download Mikrotik Winbox version 4. Just type in any browser mikrotik.com. Just type mikrotik.com and press enter. Here in this website, just stay your cursor on software option. Then from software to click Winbox. And scroll your mouse and here version 4.1 download. Just click download option. Okay, now here you can choose your operating system. If you use Mac OS, then click here. If you use Linux version, then click here. And if you are a Windows user, then click here Windows. Just click here and here your download will be here. I have already downloaded it. Now I will show you how this feature is. Here it is Winbox version 4. Okay, just open it. Here this is my version and here you can select anything from here, just a different look, but everything here as like version 3 neighbors, and you have save version also. Just I have already given password here, and now I will show you neighbors to MAC address. Click here and already selected. Now I will open my Mikrotik router with my username and password. Okay, I have typed here my password and now connect. Okay, this is my Mikrotik router opened by Mikrotik OS, Winbox OS version 4. Okay, here everything you can find it. Now it is very simple to use. Okay, thank you for watching this video.